good afternoon, morning, or evening, depending on what time you're watching this. I am here on my island called Cindervale, which is, for now, I'm just going to call it a spooky-themed island until I figure out what I'm doing with my life. We are going to be having fireworks tonight, hosted by our very own Isabel. Let's give her a chat and see what she has to say. I think I submitted ideas to her. I hope she still has them. Oh, her star bopper is so cute. She wants compliments. That's okay. Every now and then we need a little bit of reassurance that what we're doing is cute. So here's our people. We have our friend coming to visit and help us pull weeds. Oh, and here she is right now. This is Tai, and she has her own YouTube channel. I will link it in the description afterwards. Looks like the character name here is Psych. I'm always afraid I'm going to pronounce things wrong. So like I said, we don't really have any big plans. They're just coming over to help me pick weeds, and we're going to look at fireworks. They may have some items. I told everyone I'm taking donations for my island. Basically, I'm Goodwill right now. I usually love thrifting, but right now I'm the donation center. Oh my goodness, look at her outfit. She is a pirate. That's so cute. I hope she doesn't laugh at my island. Yay! I'm just gonna say yay. So, this is the party. I feel like all the villagers aren't there, even though are they gonna help me pick weeds? I guess we could pick weeds together. I'll put my net away. I'm gonna say question it. Apparently it's my first day typing. I'll just pick up weeds. I get really lonely though when they go the other way. Maybe I should hang out with them. Hi. Oh. I feel like we're gonna tussle over the same weeds. You can close weeds. Here, I'll go up here. That's what I'll do. I'll go up here. And get the floor weeds. Is it fireworks time yet? Almost. This is the area I'm kind of thinking about putting my home at. I haven't really decided on what to do yet. Let me open the map for you. Let me show you the map. So this is my island, and as you can see, I have dedicated more than half my island to this Nightmare Before Christmas reference, and it kind of leaves me very little room for, terraforming. I'm kind of worried about putting shops and stuff on the mountain part of it. I'm just afraid it's going to mess up the walkway. And when I say walkway, I mean the walkway that's put down for the mountain. But I guess it would just show... like a building, and I think we're both getting lost. I think it would just show a building on the mountain. Did Tai come over here? Oh, we're helping in the neighborhood now. That's good. Wait, hold on, I want to say something. Gosh, I keep pushing that button for space for some reason. That's not why. I'm supposed to push Y for a space, but I keep pushing X. I think I'm getting confused with maybe Xbox, because I am primarily an Xbox player. Man, what are you doing? I swear before Ty got here, there were like a million weeds, and then for some reason they're like already all gone. Oh, I'm glad they say they enjoy it. At least there's that. It should be almost firework time. I did submit for custom fireworks, and I've never done that before. So I'm not sure if they just like pop up or if it's at a special time. Like, will it only be the custom? I have time traveled back to the firework time like twice. So I hope it didn't like erase them. Either way though, it'll be okay. I'm going to send a quick message to them on Discord. Alright, I sent them a message. I don't know if they're looking. Let's see. Let's not press the wrong button. Alright. I swear I say alright like 50,000 times. You're just gonna have to work with me while I'm getting used to filming and learning how to like talk to people and using like different words. Are they thinking? Are they thinking? Or are they gonna type in the Discord? Let's go here. I'm like talking to Tai. Yeah, let's go. But only in time. Let's find a good spot to watch the fireworks. How about right here? Do I have this sitting? Do I have sitting? I don't have, I can't sit. I just keep looking at my remote because it's not the same as the Xbox remote. Why do you have to turn around? Oh. Turn around, Ty. You can't hear me because you're in here. There we go. We got the front of you. I look evil. Oh, this game is so wholesome. I don't know what happens. I did custom. Yay. Guess we'll go see. Maybe Isabel has some. Are you over here talking? Oh, you're still talking. Yeah, boppers. Let's go get boppers. I'm like following her, and she is new to this island. She's doing a pretty good job though of getting around. Oh look, everyone is having like the most fun here. That's so cute. Okay, everyone stop. Here, I want to talk to Red. Yeah, I would like to play the raffle. Oh, she got cute little heart boppers. Please don't mind that I keep doing that. I'm new here. Actually, I think what it is I don't typically play this game at my computer. So I'm using my Pro controller, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to just using the Switch console. Get out of my way, I want my boppers. This is actually my first FireWork, so I've only been playing Animal Crossing for about maybe like 4 or 5 months, and I think if there was another FireWork thing, I missed it, or I was playing in a different time. Did she give me the things? Oh, yay! Oh, now it feels so cute. Lucky, what are you doing? Here's Tai over here getting swindled by Red. Don't do it, Tai. He's a dirty cheat. What did he give me? Let's see. Oh, it's doing the cool fireworks! And now it's not. We look so cute! I'm just gonna take a bunch of pictures. Look at the question ones to pop up. I saw them. I saw the heart one in the sky. When is it gonna I saw it happening. I swear that they're there. Whoa, there's one. I'm like watching as if it was like real fireworks. Oh, that's cute. Oh, Coco's here. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo, fire! I wish I could type faster. Woo. Yay. Fire! Okay. Well, I'm like whispering to myself. I wish you could hear me. I have yet to play Animal Crossing with anyone on mic. So on Xbox, oh, gotta get back to red. On Xbox, you know, I talk on mic all the time. But I've never. I've only like just recently started playing with other people here. There is a wonderful YouTuber that I follow. Her name is Let's Play, and I just love watching all of her videos and lives. And I don't know, I didn't realize there was such a big community in the Animal Crossing world, and so I just met a couple of nice people. And I can't wait for the new release to come out. And I bet like right now the community is kind of like dying down a little bit with this game. I think it's like 5 years old. Don't quote me on that. And I know we're all like just waiting in anticipation for the new game. They actually haven't announced that there will be a new game, but there will be. There has to be. Where's Tai go? Hi. Oh. Tai over here still, hanging out. Yeah, this is Pietro and Coco. Was she hanging out in the party? Hi! Where'd you go, Tai? No, you're not here. Maybe she's checking stuff out. Don't go enable, sister. They didn't have, like, anything worthwhile in there today. Maybe she's checking out my blank island. I'm pretty sure by the time I have this up, if you watch it the day I post it, the actual firework event was yesterday. Then why I always end up on this little spiral on accident and I don't mean to. Let me ask if she's hiding. Gosh darn it, I keep pushing the wrong button! Ew, this feels violent! Oh, I thought someone gave her fire. Well, I want to look at your beautiful face, Coco. I'm gonna tell her so she knows it's my first firework day. I miss being able to type on the touchscreen. Okay. I don't know what to do right now. You want the goal? I'm gonna tell her I'm bored, because that's how I feel right now. I think I get like social anxiety when people are over on my island. Not Borby. But yeah, I don't know why, like, when people come to my island, I get anxious. Like, I get flustered as if someone was, like, over at my actual house, judging, I don't know, judging my stuff. I know that's not how, ah! Are you kidding? I lost the bug. That's the second palm tree big bug today that I've lost. I cannot believe it. The fireworks are really beautiful, though. That was neat. I feel like, I think it's Memorial Day. I feel like that's a silly time to do fireworks, but maybe not. Maybe someone else in the world is doing fireworks right now, because nobody here in Texas is popping off fireworks. Oh, awesome! Shoo that bug away. I did go to Pop Mart today. I shouldn't have, and I did. And I scored something that I could not believe I scored. And I really wasn't in the right place to score it, but I did. And I'm going to make a video of that next. Feel free to look for it and see what I happened to somehow magically get today. If you're into Pop Mart. If you're not into, you know, little monster dolls, then no worry, you can just skip it. I'm just here to hang out. Let's talk to Isabel. Let's see what she's got going on. Okay, that's fine. Can I buy poppers from Nook's Cranny? What's this for? Nook's Cranny. She said she bought poppers, so she must have bought them from in here. And you know what? I think I've seen them in there like 1,000 times. Maybe I bought a popper once. And I don't know. Yeah, she sure did. She bought poppers right here. She is very smart, that Ty. I saw she changed her outfit too. I would change my outfit, but I have like poo-poo clothes. I have I feel ominous holding the shovel. Let's switch to party popper. No! Can we just... Thanks. Oh, sprinkler! Oh, wow! Yeah. Oh, that's about as much fun as it is in real life. I'm glad she came over. And experiencing FireWork Day without Ty would have been so sad. Oh, I'm running with my balloon. Oh, I ran into Ty. Oh, okay. Is she still up? Thanks for using the bridge. Let's see if I can hide from her. Do you think if I hide from her, she'll find me? Oh, okay, I haven't lost her yet, so I can't hide from her. I can't lose her. Come on. That's how I'm home. Oh no! I forgot that kind of shows you where, like, the direction that people are in. Don't she? Oh, she can look at the map! Oh no! Can't hide and seek here. I'm pretty sure. No, wait, I can't see her on the map. So she probably can't see me on the map. I'll let her have that balloon as a clue. Give her a clue. We're just gonna type clue. I am like totally an 8-year-old right now. I don't even care if this is fun to watch. I'm just enjoying my life. On FireWork Day, sponsored by my kid. We better make sure she's actually looking. I'm trying my hardest not to push the X button. Like, I feel like she could find me here if she came this way. I don't even. She could be like talking to Red right now. She didn't confirm she was speaking. Maybe we should give up. I don't want her to think I'm being rude. Alright, let's go look for her. Gosh, Pietro and Coco are over there having like the time of their life. What if she's just over here playing Red Raffle? No. Oh no, what if she's hiding from me? She doesn't know. She found me. Oh, I can't get back over there. Let me tell her. Let's see if I can get away from her. Okay, let me see. See if I can get away. Oh no, she's chasing me. No, don't chase me. Is she following me? Is she following me? Or is she following me? Is it? And do Marco Polo. Do the kids these days still play Marco Polo? I'm like pretty stoked to get this island together once I stop messing around. Can they like not see the words? Let's see. I can't hide with the crap with my controller. Hey. I think she saw that I wanted to take a picture. Well, let's see. Let's come over here. Let's take... Oh, my eyes are closed. Let's see if she'll do one more reaction. Muffy, you are in the way! Let's thank her for coming. Thank you for... Oh. Do you remember back in the day when texting you had to like push each number like 1,000 times? That's how tedious this feels.
Hate me, tell me how you hate me. Tell me I'm trash and you can easily replace me. Tell me.
Pause the video there. Our friend Ty is leaving and I'm getting a phone call that I need to take. So I am going to make that Labubu video. I'm going to see you shortly over there. Alright, bye!